The stage is set for the return of concert goers here at the FM Kirby Center in Wilkes-Barre.
First show back tonight, Lake Street Dive, which is a show that our staff has been really excited about. It's new music to our stage, so we have a lot of new audience members coming in. We have over 1,000 people coming.
2 weeks ago, the fate of this show was up in the air. Executive Director Joelle Yarmel was away at a conference when she got a call about the Kirby flooding.
It was about 3:30 in the morning Nashville time from the fire department in our building, saying that we're taking on water and we're working on getting it turned off.
She received pictures like this, showing the basement submerged in water.
It was disastrous, it was emotional.
There's more to the basement of the FM Kirby Center than just storage. There's the Mohegan Lounge, a bar, restrooms, dressing rooms, and meeting spaces. More than 11,000 square feet down here, and folks at the Kirby Center estimate more than 400,000 gallons filled this space.
We had several dumpsters of memorabilia, of parts of our building just trashed.
After 2 weeks of sanitizing, gutting, and making sure all of the electronics in the basement were functioning properly and safely, shows are able to come back. But the return is bittersweet, as there's still a lot that has to be done.
Our staff, our community takes great pride in this beautiful building, so to walk through and see the carpets all picked up, to see walls knocked down, to see our beautiful dressing rooms that were just completed in 2019 completely destroyed, it was hard. We knew how much work we had ahead of us.
The first priority will be to rebuild the dressing rooms for acts coming to the city this holiday season. And the work around this level will continue from there. Chelsea Strube, Newswatch 16, Wilkes-Barre.